Hi all. So today we will learn about the SSRS report. So if you want to become a full stack developer, then you must know about one of the reporting tool. So in market there are certain types of reporting tool, like we have Power BI, we have Crystal report. So let's learn about this SSRS report today. So as I told, we have different types of reporting tool like Microsoft Power BI, Tabular, Crystal report. And if you know about, we have different types of JavaScript libraries also, which converts HTML to PDF. And also we have iText Sharp. So these tools basically we use for generating to report. So today we will go about this SSRS report thing. So when you going to implement this SSRS report, there are some software is required on your system. So basically, first thing we have to install this SSDT, SQL Server data tool. This must be installed on our system if we want to implement SSRS report. Second thing, we have to install some database thing, like either we can go with a SQL Server, either we can go with Oracle or any data source, and one IDE software like a Visual Studio. So come with to implement. As I told, we are going with Visual Studio. So if you want to create new project through Visual Studio, we have this is Visual Studio 2019. So when we create a new project, there are certain types of template. So basically we need to search with report. So if you see report server project is there. So for SSRS we need to create this template. So project name we can give any project name, meaningful name. Like here I'm taking demo project. Location basically the physical path where this solution will be created. So as you can see, project is created, demo SSRS, and this demo SSRS project we have to configure with the database. Let me show you. So in report, I am creating a add new report. So basically, this is asking about the data source. Which data source will connect for data? So we have this SQL Server database tool. Let me show you. Okay. So basically, when we going to connect with Microsoft SQL Server, then we have to put server name. If you want to connect with different data source, you have to give the different data source name. So if you check here, so here you can see it's a different type of source. So we can either we can connect with the Azure database. We can connect with the MS. Microsoft SQL Server, we can connect with Oracle DB. Means we can connect with the different data source. So here we are connected with the Microsoft SQL Server. So here is asking about the server name. So once I put the server name with Windows authentication, so I can see all this DB which we have in my local. So I can take an example of any DB. Okay, I have some dummy table. Let me check we have data in this table. We have data also. Okay. So here I am selecting the local test DB. Test connection is succeed. You can see this connection string is generated, and we can able to see. Next. So here basically we need to give the store procedure, or that query based on we can get the data from our tables. So for example, like we can use this query because of this we can able to fetch the data, and we can connect through view also. Based on the requirement we have to give this query. So here SSRS report template we can choose, either is tabular format or matrix. So by default it's tabular. So this all fields we have in our tables, you can see this all columns are coming. Yes. You can see the report are created. Report is created with all these fields. So we can give like report name based on our requirement. Suppose we can design as per our requirement. So when we create any report, there are two views, like one is the design view, one is the preview view. So in preview we can see how look like this report. So like that. So we can design more. Okay. And for styling, we can go like properties window. Suppose we need to modify this header part, so we can click header, and here we can do the styling part like background color, text font color, or some width and height based on these properties. Example, like here we can select like that. This design will be applicable, and we can download this report in different format like Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, like that. So this is very basic. We will create some complex report also, like how we can suppress the column and row based on this table values. Like suppose requirement some dynamic thing, like if this suppose this value, this column contain the value, then only it will show the column, otherwise it will hide. Like that scenario we will cover in our future videos. Please comment and share and subscribe. Thank